Oh, Alex, we are live. So still nothing bad happened, and we are in profit. And this is good news. Of course, we have one unclosed position, which is still open. It's a weekly spread, and let's check it. Let's check what is now with this spread. We can open position builder, or we can look exactly in Bybit terminal and check what happened with position. This also can help us to understand what is happening. Maybe this is even better if you have Bybit open. Yes. So still we have this green bar. You can see also this small green bar. And I think, we have nice. We have now we can look. So it's plus $10. Yes, I can see. So this good. So $10 is 1%. Of course, it doesn't look as good as 40% for one day, but for many people, 1% in a day is a great result. Okay, and let's look at positions which are currently open.
Position is
So we have 2,200 option put sold and 2,100 option put called. Bought, not called, bought, yes. Hot and cold. One hot option, one cold option. And our credit spread already is in good plus. Let's open option position builder and let's check how much now costs 2,200 option put for 28 August. Yes, let's check. So wait. This is 2,100. The cost is $2.6. And this is $2, 2,200. So it's 7.1. So if we and can you in the moment recreate the position? So in position builder, so we have that sold and that bought. I want to understand what is now maximum potential of profit.
Yes, half an option.
And I think that the next update for software is to click something in portfolio to see it in position builder.
So that's our position.
So what is maximum profit now? So we can earn $2.45 more, so it's about 0.25%. And we can lose, I think, how many is this? $47. So I really don't like these numbers because we already took more than how many? So almost all profit. So what is maximum profit again, please?
$2 left.
$2 left. So if we will close the position just now, then we will fix 0.75%, I think, something like this. And I'm not sure that there is a point to hold this position till next Friday. Of course, probability is not high, but still, if it will be some Ethereum drop of the price, then potential loss is big if compared with potential win. So my idea is to close this position at the moment.
But still, what are we waiting for? So the price is already at that level. So you said that might be a chance that the profit might be higher.
No. I say exactly that this is maximum what we can earn if we will keep this position.
So you
So
mean not paying fees?
yes, if
Like,
we will keep this position and the price will be higher than 2,200 till Friday.
and we will save money not paying or paying less fees by expiration, but not by closing those manually.
Yes, if we will close now, of course, we will pay fees and so we will earn a little bit less. But now the profit risk reward is too small. So if before it was like 10 potential profit to 40 potential loss, now it's 2.5 potential profit to 47 potential loss.
Mhm.
And as our main strategy usually is to trade on rare events like black swans, so if we will keep this position, it means that we are like going against our own strategy. Understand?
Mhm.
So my idea is just to close it and think what we will do for next week or for tomorrow.
So closing, I agree. Let us close now.
Mm-hmm.
I don't see like a big deal to hold it till expiration. Position 100%.
So is it real numbers 1,800? We earned so much?
Yes.
And you didn't put any additional money there. Wow, really nice.
Uh-huh.
Really nice. Okay, so reduce only.
You see that
Uh,
bar? That bar is like more than $600 for total.
wow, $600. It means that we made like 60% almost in 1 day.
Yeah, a bit less, like maybe 50%. So
I like how you said it. We made in 1 day just 50, maybe 60% to amount of money. I think if somebody from traditional finance understood that he can do 50% in a day, I think that it's just crazy profit. And you know
okay.
that in this year it was 3 times when we can do profit like this.
So please double check. Ethereum 20.
Wait. No, not sell. Not sell. You made
So
reduce only, and we have short position
buy.
2,200
Yeah,
put.
because I changed it manually. Yes, I was wrong. Yes, buy. So
Yes,
200.
and when you're closing position, I think yes, okay, it's not so big, so you can make market order, but I
Mhm.
think step by step it's better to hit exactly the best price, so 7.3. Because later, when we will have a big amount of bigger position, then market price will not be as good as we do it when we have small amount of money.
Let us set 7.4. Okay,
Okay, sure.
7.4, 7.3 even, right? To be at the top of the order book.
Yes,
Buy.
but if you make 7.3, then we will need to wait. I think it's better 7.4. Of course, we can wait, but we can wait more than our video will last. So I think it's better make 7.4 to close it instantly. Mm-hmm. We need to check if it disappeared from positions.
So next one is which one? That one.
Mm-hmm. Yes.
That point, like sell it, right?
Yes.
Sell it at the market price, 100 position, correct?
Mm-hmm. Correct.
Boom.
So no positions. Yes, I can see that now it's empty.
There is another update. If you notice that the refresh pause, the refresh rate of open orders and positions should be less, so we see it almost immediately.
Alex, it's amazing. For me, it was in the beginning it was not a problem, but later when
Yes.
orders became bigger, thank you so much. This really good news that refresh of orders is now faster.
Yeah,
Okay.
lots of things happening at the backend,
Mhm.
but it's like really close for them to like drop out to the front end. So
Nice,
there
nice.
will be like lots of changes really soon, probably next week.
Okay, now let's continue trading view and let's think what we expect. Do you have Velo today or it will be on my
No, I
side?
don't. No, I don't. Doesn't work.
You don't have Velo. Let me check if I have this because I really don't understand which Velo is like lives its own life. Sometimes it's working, sometimes it's not working. Okay, yes, today it's working. Let me show you.
No, not available. Wait, what?
Do you
So,
see Velo on my
uh,
side?
yeah, it's loaded.
Okay, nice. So you can see it was a strong volatility jump. And as I told you before, usually volatility jump is happening unexpectedly.
Mm-hmm.
So as it was in this moment, just check. So here you see volatility was low, and suddenly it jumped to let me check. So from here we can check all these three trades about which I was talking about. So first Black Swan was in the end of January, in the beginning of February. So implied volatility jumped from 50 to 100. Another
Mm-hmm.
Black Swan was on in the beginning of June when Bitcoin was falling from 70, I think 74 to 59. But you
Uh-huh.
can see that here volatility jump was not so strong, and this happened because movement was in one side, so it was not like this. It
Like a
was
soft.
more like just drop and stand.
Mm-hmm.
So usually uh, this behavior isn't making implied volatility too high. So
Mm-hmm.
for movement like this, it needs strong down, up, and like
Yeah.
this.
And the same situation currently happening because the
Yes,
market just
and
stopped
I want
on
to
the side.
remind that implied volatility is not jumping too high when the market is growing. So usually people are scared more when market is falling. And
Mm-hmm.
as it again happened in just 2, 3 days, so market standing, and just like they moved from this point to very high this point. And later in trading view, we will also look at this. I mean the behavior of movement. So we also can see that really not so strong. And now from this moment, I think we can also sometimes check block to see how jumped different expiration dates. So this is like aggregated implied volatility. And later after we look on the trades, we will see different expiration dates. So 30 days, weekly and quarterly. And what we can see here we can see typical picture for weekends. So nobody traded options. So the maximum volume is 1,600 contracts. So it doesn't matter anything. And oh, look, now we can see historical event. Look, if we will make delta skew for all time, really not so many events when delta skew was lower than 0 point. So this means that people now are more thinking of strong movement upside than
Mm-hmm.
about fall. So nobody, I think they think that the Ethereum can go maybe 3,000, 4,000 like this. And we can see that options, put options now are not so popular. It's interesting that it's happening after, not in the moment. So market is not predicting. If market predicts, then we can see this before event. But now it's like everything happened and people, oh, I need to buy call options if this will begin. This will continue. And wait, I also want to check if I have this. Do you still see Velo?
No, no coin glass.
Nice. So now we will check greed fear index. Wait. Yeah, and greed, I think it's something here. Yeah. Crypto fear greed index. I think now maybe we have. Yes. You can see it, yeah? So still not extreme greed, because I think many is just trying to understand what happened in 3 days, and if I need to buy Ethereum, Bitcoin urgently, and I can miss potential profit. But this indicator came to greed territory, and it's interesting for me how it will behave later. Okay, I think we checked all that we want. Wait, I will also show you different expiration dates to understand what we can do. So, Bitcoin.
So are we going to return to that fancy prediction of like magical fancy prediction?
Yes, I think we can do this today. Right? Yes.
Because it seems like volatility once again has returned, and we can make some entertainment videos for our subscribers.
Okay. So,
so still, I'd like to listen. I'd like to listen those technical analysis fairy tales from you.
Sure,
and leave that magic tricks to me, since I'm not expert in any technical analysis at all.
So you can see, yes, the chart. So look, at first we will look at weekly options. We can see that there is a strong change in weekly volatility. So it's now higher than it was almost the whole month, but still not so high as it was in the beginning of wait, 6 months now. Yes, in the beginning of June. So in the beginning of June it was high. Now it's not so high. As I told you before, this is because this is a growing movement, not fall. And now we look at monthly. So monthly also jumped, but not so strong. So if we compare weekly volatility with monthly, we can see that weekly is more sensitive to changes. Monthly also grow, but not so much. Interesting if we will take the whole period. You can see that still it's rather small, so cannot say that it's really strong. But of course, I don't think that there is point to compare it with the COVID time or maybe 2022 when crypto was much more volatile market. But even we compare with 2024 and 2025, still not so high. Let's check quarterly. Quarterly also didn't react much, but also jumped a little. And if we take half a year, you can see this is the least reacted chart. So yes, of course, it also now higher, but you can see that it's more smooth. And this means that usually longer expiration options with longer expiration date or further expiration date, they react slowly. And usually if, for example, somebody can see on big scale chart that volatility is, that market is getting out of some range in which it was for a long time, then usually if he wants to, how to say, jump in the train, which is going from the station, it's better to jump in further options. So in, for example, which have ATM 180, because they are not so fast reacting on what is happening. So you can see it was 40.4 and jumped just 5%. So now it's 42.7. And if we will look at weekly options, here it's 27 and 45. So, for example, weekly options to buy now are really not so interesting as before. Okay, Alex, now I'm giving sharing to you, and we will continue to trading you. And today we will make our prediction because now we need it. Okay, please, I'm waiting for trading you on your side.
So we need a vertical line. Vertical, is it vertical? No. Vertical. Okay, 420.
So what is the frame? 1 hour. Yeah, I can see 1 hour frame.
So we need it August 20.
Wait, I want to show you interesting thing. So you see these moving averages in 1 hour chart. You can see that here also it jumped higher than average. Then it fall exactly on average. And usually it happens so when it stands, so to break their average, it needs some time. And it happened like this. So it stands and only then went lower. At first, it was some consolidation here.
So you say that you almost sure like 100% of what is going to happen within next day?
I'm almost sure that when we can see some trend movement, for example, market stands, then suddenly it jumped, and then moving average are like this. So like this and like this. And when the market will return to average, then here with really big probability, so bigger than 50-50, I can predict that market will stand for some time. In good scenario, it will jump from this up. In not so good, it will jump a little bit, then return. And when the market is changing its direction, then it will make like consolidation here and after fall. Very rare when market just gets through moving averages, and even if this happen, then often it's returning to them when they also turning, and this is good point for changing direction in your trading. I hope that this abracadabra which I which I have drawn on the screen can be understood. Okay. So, I'm giving you the opportunity to make a prediction for tomorrow. To make prediction, you can look at your ball, prediction ball. And Alex, I hope that for the profit you had from the last trade, you will buy this ball for prediction. So the camera will get further and you will look in this ball. And I hope that you will see what will happen tomorrow with the chat. And now I will not look for your prediction, will not embarrass me, and I can do my prediction without understanding what you decide. Okay, please do the prediction.
You done?
Ready? Yeah? Okay, and I will make smart prediction. Not sure that it will really be too different from your. I will make prediction from technical analysis. Can you also show me 4 hours chart and I'm not so sure that daily and there is some point to show daily chart. But can you also show it to me? I want to understand how far we are from averages. Yes, so if you will wait return, if you will wait when averages will come closer to current price, then we can wait for for at least 2 weeks, I think. But this is why trading is difficult task. For example, the best points of entering the market are when happened something like this. So it broke moving averages, then some consolidation, and then it is touching them. But to wait for these opportunities, usually it is you can see. So it was 1, 2. So here was false opportunity, and after it was a period, I think 2.5 months. Yeah.
Also,
So you will need to wait a long time, and people usually want to do something. So trading often is about not doing something, then about doing something. Because when you can wait, you don't lose money on fees, on spreads, and on like stop losses or unnecessary spending for option premiums. Okay. Return please to 4 hour chart. Alex, can you please switch on 4 hour chart?
already did. Done. Already done. This is 4 hours.
Wait, I see here D. No?
No, there is 4 hours. Let me roll.
Yes, maybe it didn't. Yes, now I see 4 hours. Okay.
Mm.
So from 4 hours scale, I think that market will wait till these moving averages will come closer. And it can make it 2 ways. First way is to fall like here. So it will be movement from 2,400 to like 2,200, about how many? About 7-6% first moment. Another moment that it can make a sideways movement and averages will make like this. And then it can go up from here. And I think this is 2 scenarios I see. And from that point of view, I'm expecting that market can go up, can go sideways, second, or not so much downside. So my idea is to sell some put options, maybe 2,250 or something like this. But I need to check the prices. And can you switch on 1 hour chart so I will make a prediction?
Sure. So between how many options do we have? Like 5, like major go up and down, minor go up and down, stay side. So
Yeah, so I don't
choose a
wait
3.
strong go down.
Okay.
So I think that the market will move till tomorrow, something like here, 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 and here. So I'm expecting movement like this. So what is the point here? 2,350. And now let me see what you expect.
Luckily, the other side. Let me see your prediction, which should be red traditionally, and mine will be green.
Yes, I can see. So what we can do for this prediction? Let's check option prices. Wait. Yes, I think that we will record a short video from Position Builder.
Okay.
And let's check the prices for tomorrow. So can you show me prices? Yes, it's the 21st, 24th of August. So we have 2,250. Like, wait, please don't scroll. 0.3, it's not interesting. 200 to 300, we have $1. 350, we have like $4. So, and what is the current price? 2,400, yes?
Roma, wait. What's the point of our prediction if today is Sunday? And statistically, that means that either it will stand or there will be like major movement any side.
Yes, thank you, Alex, for reminding me about Sunday. And I also want to say about one additional feature that Sunday is interesting when we have Sunday prices. Understand, yes? So today we don't have Sunday prices. We have prices after volatility jump. That is why they are more interesting. So usually why I don't like to sell on Sundays. Because on Sundays movement is happening stronger than option prices. And when we have option prices like today, so you can see that implied volatility. Also wanted to say thank you that you made it here. They are rather expensive. And I think we can make, for example, our favorite position, which we liked to do previously, like risk reversal. So if you wait that it will be a movement up, and I wait that there will not be a strong movement down, we can buy this option. Not buy, sell this option, 2,350. Let's do it. Let's begin with one option, and after we will adjust it to risk.
Sell it.
So sell, yes, sell for $4.4.
Sell it for and amount of contracts. Is it one?
Now one, but later we will adjust to risk.
Okay.
And I want to remind our subscribers that our traditional framework is, at first we are making forecast. Second, we are looking for interesting option strategy which will fit our forecast. And after we choose risk. So this is the best framework you can do for your trading. And all these steps, each is needed to be done, and each you can make it better. So each step can be improved. So you can improve your forecast, you can improve your how you make option strategy for your forecast, and you can improve your risk management later or position sizing. Okay, and let's buy some call option. Let's check how much is, for example, 2,475. So we need to find some call option which is not so expensive as we can see. So it's still expensive. So let's check. Yes, I think we can buy something like this.
That one?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. One also.
So now we have classic risk reversal, but I want to hedge it in case it will make a strong movement downside. So let's check some put option, not too expensive. For example, I need this to remain green after hedging position. So I think we can add 2,300 option put. Let's do it and let's check if our position will remain. Oh, nice. So what we have? We have a small profit, but it's still profit higher than 2,350. What is maximum risk? Can you please show me? I think it's about $50 here. Yes, $50, $50 risk. And if the market will make some strong movement, for example, 5% up, it will be maybe 2,540. Also, let's check what will be the profit somewhere here.
Okay.
So it's also about 50 or $60. Okay. So what do you think about this position?
Well,
One moment, I think that options
what's my
really
prediction?
expensive. Options really expensive. And I think maybe we can do less risk, so like 0.5, not
Okay.
have such a big risk for this position. Because from my point of view, $50 to risk 5% in daily option is big risk.
I'm a bit scared of falling. So having seen all those green bars in a row, I might expect like really big, like dramatically big for us drop of the price. But still, I think that another improvement is to show that spot price in percents from the current price, right? Because I expect you calculate that in your mind, but I'd like to see it like computed by computer. And what will be the probability of, say, so what might be the maximum drop of the price for one day? Say like 6% seems like improbable. So how much is it? So if we see like 6%, the price will be 2,250, right? 2,250, which is like painful, Roma.
Yes, so my idea is that now options are not too expensive to sell them heavily and not too cheap to buy them heavily. So what is idea of this position? To make not one option, to make 0.5, so divide this risk two times and have half of this risk. And if this will happen, for example, we will see tomorrow strong falling candle, then to sell options here will be much more interesting because they will be expensive. Everybody will be afraid. They will be close to moving average. And also, uh, as we will make not so big position today, this will help us to keep money for a nice opportunity. So usually, from my point of view, the best trading is when you not risk a lot when you don't see good opportunities. Of course, the best is not to risk at all, but I like to risk little to keep feeling of the market. So when you just stop doing trades and waiting, for example, for 3 weeks, sometimes it's difficult to make a trade even if you see opportunity because you forgot how to do trades. So my idea is to make small trades when we don't see really amazing opportunities and to do trades with less risk. Even maybe it can be 4 times less risk than usual or 5 times uh, in the days when we don't expect something really interesting. Understand? What do you think about this?
Can we hedge it? Maybe that drop down with a weekly option, or
Uh,
price are not suitable for us here as well. Can we reduce the risk with weekly options? Or we should?
My idea is to reduce it with position size to make quantity not 1, 1, minus 1, to make half, half, minus half.
No, they're still expensive.
Because you saw prices for weekly options when I
Yeah,
showed.
at the beginning, yes.
Yes, yes. And if you will buy it now, then we will pay more than. It's
Yeah,
like.
yeah, that was the second thought actually. Maybe we rushed things a bit, like selling them at the beginning of the video.
Mhm.
But okay, I think we'll survive for one day, even the loss will be like $25.
Yes, but my idea is to make it half of this. Let's do half
As
of
I
it.
said, $25 because for one contract is 50, and
Mhm.
making it half a contract,
Yeah,
gets us to the risk of minus $25.
Sure. You mean you will do it in terminal, yes?
Sure, yeah. The one more feature is to edit prices and quantity here, but that's coming.
Okay, and let me record a short video.
I suppose it will be really, really short for today.
Yeah, sure. Alex, today I'm ready to risk $25 if Ethereum will go tomorrow less than 2,350, and I want to earn if the market will be higher than 2,525, because I think that after such a movement it can be not so strong drop. It can be a strong continue because a lot of people want to trade the opposite of main movement, and maybe it can be sideways market. So in the case of sideways market, we will lose here. We will earn here, so it will be really small earnings, but it will be plus. So in case if it will go up, we can earn money. And in improbable from my point of view case of going less than 2,350, then we will lose some money. So what do you think?
Agree. Sounds good to me,
Nice,
since
nice,
that covers my scenario of major rise of the price.
nice, nice. I like this. Okay, and let's show to our subscribers also which prediction we had. So today Alex was thinking that market tomorrow till the end of Sunday, Monday expiration in daily options will go up like to 2,580. My prediction was that the market will be sideways, but it can slightly go down. And our option strategy we made look like risk reversal with hedged end in case if we both are not right and market will make like this. Okay, let's open our position in the terminal.
So this is so let us start with long ones like 25 option call, right? Call, half a contract, and buying it at market price. Please
Yes.
check.
Nice.
Then also
We are
2300.
buying hedging put 2,300.
2300.
So we not
Option
lose money
put.
in case it will be strong downside movement.
Yes. Our traditional good practice, best practice. Please double check.
Nice, nice. I like this. And wait, I will see it in positions.
It should appear immediately. And the final one is 2351. Yes, it appeared. And the final one is 2350 short. 2350 option put short half contract.
And my idea, let's do it not on the market. Let's try to make it 4.4. So I hope that it will be executed.
Okay, check please.
Nice.
And okay, let us submit. Okay, done.
So I think it will be executed at once because just at the moment when we were waiting, it stepped one tick up and then it was. Yes. So we have this position. It's risk reversal with covered risk on put side. And hope tomorrow we will see strong upwards movement. But really, I like more when market will stand sideways, maybe 3 or 4 days, implied volatility will go down. And after we will have one more trade with big X as we had it 3 or 4 days before. Okay, Alex, I'm glad that we are option profits again and not any more option waiters and option losers, and we can show some interesting results. So, see you tomorrow. thank you for the video and bye. And also I want to remind our subscribers that if you want to see the full version of video, you can check our live stream and then you can see the whole discussion, how we came to this position. Okay, thank you.
Thanks, Roma. See you, bye.